How to fix package installer keeps stopping problem in Android. So let's get started. The first thing we suggest here is to restart your Android phone once. Restarting a device will start it afresh and solve the temporary issues that are prevailing on the device. Long press or hold the power button on the side of your Android phone and next tap the restart option on the power menu. Now wait for your device to restart and once rebooted, check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue persists, the package installer may be currently facing any issues which is why not working. Therefore, after rebooting your device, we suggest you force stop the package installer to fix the package installer not working on your Android. First, launch the Settings application on your Android phone, then scroll down and select Apps. On the next screen, tap the three dotted icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on the Show System option available there and navigate and select the package installer and tap the Force Stop option and confirm. So that is it. Once done, reboot your device once to allow the package installer to start automatically again in the background. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.